Viral jelly object videos are absolutely blowing up on social media right now. And the best part is that this niche still has very little competition. If you start creating videos like these, you also have a great chance of going viral. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these videos yourself, step by step. Make sure you watch this video until the end, because if you miss even a single step, your video may not turn out the way you want. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future AI tutorials. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open Flow AI. Once you've opened it, go to the comment section of this video. You'll find a ready-to-use prompt that I've shared there. Simply copy the prompt and paste it into Flow AI. Now, you'll need to make one small change to the prompt. Wherever it says object, replace it with the name of any object you want. For example, you can use an apple, banana, football, car, camera, burger, pizza, chocolate, mobile phone, or any other object you like. The more unique your object is, the more unique and engaging your generated video will be. So don't be afraid to experiment with different objects. Now let's move on to the settings. Go to the settings and select the video option. Then choose the Omni Flash model as it generates smooth, high-quality videos. Once everything is set up, simply click the Send button. Flow AI will process your prompt, and within a short time, it will generate an amazing jelly object video for you. After the video is generated, preview it once. If you're happy with the result, simply download it. If you'd like to create more videos in different styles, just change the object name and run the same prompt again. Every time, you'll get a fresh and unique result. That's how you can create unlimited jelly object videos and upload them to platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. That's all there is to it. It's really that simple. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a nice comment. Your support motivates me to keep creating more AI tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.